So in essence, the funding gaps are going to increase. We're looking at 3.6 billion funding gap for the next financial year, and then over the whole business plan, there's a $15 billion funding gap. So most of that sits with the Roads Authority, whereas the local authorities, the funding gap is much smaller, but it is still present. So how we intend to address it, we've got a RUX proposal that we want to take to Ministry of Finance. The first one is a $1 increase on the fuel levy. This is going to generate north of $1 billion for us, so we can close that funding gap and allocate more money to road maintenance. Then there's a 20% increase on MDC, CBC, and abnormal load fees. The road carrier permits, because those deal more with smaller operators, the increase is only 10%. And then we've got a 0% increase on vehicle registration fees, because we're already expensive in that category alone. So hopefully if we can get these, we can narrow that funding gap a lot more and allocate more funding towards road maintenance. And I'll get to the demonstration of what it actually costs society for these funding gaps. Looking at total expenditures, we see a dip in expenditure from the 2024 financial year coming to 2025. That amount is just north of 200 million. And the big contributor here is actually the loans that we had last year that